Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is a 2006 Toyota Prius, and we're going to replace the bumper retainer, and we purchased a new one from our local dealership to replace this retainer. So you have basically two nuts here. They're 10 millimeter. You're gonna need a 10 millimeter socket with a extension and a ratchet. And for those of you that are subscribed, thank you for your support. And for those that aren't, I would consider subscribing to this channel, because I do indeed put videos on a weekly basis. Nuts are loosened. You want to come around to the back, just to the right of your left rear. There's going to be a screw, which is a star screw, and you want to open that so your bumper will drop down and will give you enough room to maneuver your new rear bumper retainer in place. Alright guys, you see this plastic rear bumper retainer. So in order to remove this, you need a flathead screwdriver, something like this. And what you want to do is put it on the bottom and pry it up nice and slowly, so you do not there's not much you can damage except this rear bumper retainer. So that's how I ended up removing mine. This is how it looks once the rear bumper retainer is removed. And a little look at the rear bumper retainer. So there's these plastic clips, so there's one here and then one on the right side that you want to use a flathead screwdriver to pry off. And now guys, we're ready to replace the old bumper retainer with a new one. So here's the new bumper retainer. You know, we just got this from our local dealer. So it says retainer, right rear bumper side, left right. Brand spanking new, guys. So let's get a move on and install this new rear right bumper retainer. Right, so I want to mention, with this new retainer, we're going to be putting back this star, you can say a nut or a screw. You can use a socket, a 10 millimeter socket, or a star screwdriver, and basically you're just putting this bumper back with this star screw.